Try it.
It has 2 notes on it. It's fucking. And that's it.
Wait, where the fuck did you just get a harmonica from?
It's on my fucking keychain. It's a mini harmonica from a Fleetwood Mac concert.
Just try it.
I can't play Hit the Road Jack. It's not gonna happen.
Just try it.
I got it.
It's all one
Go,
note.
go.
Is this like, did you get this off of the website?
Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more. What you say?
Is that it right there?
Oh, it's right here.
Oh,
That's
there
it,
is.
boys.
Oh, look, there's
It's
a
the
spot right
Sonata,
next
so
to it.
you know what that means. You know what that means.
We're gonna see Ricer Boy at work.
We found the way.
Why the fuck
Are
are
we
you guys all the way out here?
We have to go food shopping.
Here?
Yes,
I
because
know
you're
all
here.
the-
You're here.
I feel loved. I feel loved.
Do you know the way?
I feel loved.
Zoom in on the fucking name tag.
So I got a question. We're going bowling tonight?
You tell me.
Are we gonna film your next part of the D-Rice vid tonight?
Kyle's in.
Are we?
Yeah, let's do it.
I didn't know this was ever gonna happen, but it's happening.
I asked you if you're working today. I said we're going food shopping.
I didn't. Why the? I'm just in awe because
You
guys
too-
came all the way out here.
It's not that bad. It was only like 25 minutes.
It's only 25 minutes.
It's not that bad of a drive.
We don't pay for gas.
Don't send the tween freaking food shopping, bro. I want to try
Just
it.
gonna go home with like gummy worms.
It looks good. You tell me that doesn't look good?
What? What'd you get?
S'mores, sweet and salty pretzels.
I don't know about that. That sounds a little sketch to me.
I love chocolate covered pretzels, so that just is adding
You like
to it.
Raisinets? That's the first problem. I want to get on the loudspeaker and just do you know the way?
Do you know the way?
That'll be so like I'm tempted, but they're gonna know it's me.
You hear everyone in the store go. You know what's the shittiest tasting cereal?
Honey Bunches of Oats? I love Honey.
Rice Chex.
Rice Chex? Fuck.
Tastes like nothing.
Tastes like ass.
You're eating mess.
Ass.
You might as well eat the cardboard it comes in.
You added an M to that, and I don't know why.
It's ass.
Where's Anton?
Stop. Stop.
Ebola.
Sweater, and he said no. He doesn't know where his cactus sweater is. It's not clean. I said clean it. Are you wearing the
There
cactus
he
sweater?
is.
No.
Why not?
I told you I
said I'm
couldn't
coming
find
to
it.
pick you up, and you can't fucking wear the cactus sweater.
So the audience are a bunch of hoes.
This guy said, "Get back out. Go back in your house."
Did you say midget knuckles?
Midget knuckles.
This boy does not know the way. He does not. Show him the way.
That's racist as fuck. That is so fucked.
You must learn the national anthem.
You can just make up the clicks then.
Gabe will find his queen.
You good? Good?
My name is Gabe.
If everyone's getting a nickname, you're getting a nickname.
Then Tubbs.
What?
Put Tubbs down. I don't want Audi Tech.
Tubbs? Gabe, you're getting Audi Tech. You're not getting Tubbs. It doesn't get... Cocaine!
Well. Oh, Adrian with the strike.
It's your boy.
Oh, damn. You don't dance no more?
Yo, did anyone else see this man talking? What the hell is going on here?
My man hit the ball.
Did you teach this guy go?
We got 2 pros on the tour. We're good. Gabe, if you gutter ball it, I'm shooting you.
Yo.
Yo, you killed Adrian. Just got a bunch of dads fucking.
Dad, 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 dad. Trash, trash. fuck are you doing?
I'm bowling.
You know we're bowling right now, right?
I'm a dad. I can't afford to get hurt.
You guys still got Alright, it's going, it's going. Come on!
I said slobber when he was about to throw it.
Oh, no way! You got it!
You guys are retarded.
That was such a roller coaster of emotion. Are you bitches ready for this shit? We're gonna get kicked out.
No, we're gonna get kicked out, yo. Stop. I pay $11.
Wow.
Holding out for the kill. Holding out for the kill. Damn, we got a Jane right there.
Oh, he said backhand.
Oh, he's backhand.
I'm done.
And he got it.
He do not know the way. Strike, make it, fight it. Do you know the way?
For a fucking burger?
$55 fucking dollars.
For a bohemian burger. That thing better be the size of this table.
My nuts are the size of that.
That thing better give me a goddamn boner.
Burrito.
Yeah, seriously.
Beast. Face planted. That's how you eat a Big Mac, nigga.
Yo, that was a split, bro. My balls almost ripped in half.
The thing is gonna come down.
Yo, my balls almost ripped in
No
half.
way.
You know what?
Oh my.
No, the way.
Oh, where is he?
Yo, Adrian, did we forget to do something today?
Where did we? We were supposed to do something.
You sound niggler? I said niglet.
Oh,
Little niggler.
You fucking A-pillar, dick.
Let's do it.
Well, we know what we're doing, boys. What's happening?
Spit your bars. Let's go.
I don't have bars.
You lied.
I lied.
Gabe, spit us some bars.
Stick to my motherfucking tummy. Bitch must think I'm a motherfucking dummy. Because I just bummy, bitch think I'm broke.
What the fuck, man? We spent the whole fucking, how long were we at that bowling alley?
2.5 hours.
3 hours and
A pitcher of beer.
Nobody fucking, nobody was like, yo, we're supposed to put this shit on. No?
We'll get it on
Beat check right now.
We'll
Beat
get
check.
it on. We're getting it on.
white, please. Oh. It's bad. This is old. Come on, you cock. Oh. Ah.
We gotta
White forever.
just
Don't
white.
paint
When you paint the whole car, just leave the A-pillar white. Comment down below if you know the way. Yeah, boy.